Hey guys, welcome back to the Art of Craftsmanship. My name's Dustin. Today in the shop, we want to do a little bit of a update video. We have some changes that we're trying to make and trying to do some things to interact a little bit more with the community of the Art of Craftsmanship. First off, you may have seen recently, we just put out a new type of video where we do 5 questions. We kind of respond to a kind of trolley question, then do a little bit of a show and tell. So we were interested in doing something a little bit different and starting to work with the community and respond to some questions that people have asked repeatedly over the years, but also just a way to kind of do some quicker videos and get some more content out there for you guys that is based off of what you have asked us over the years. So that's one of the things we're doing. Also, we'll still have our normal videos. We're still going to do those. We're filming them all the time. They just come out monthly, and so we want to kind of fill in the gaps a little bit with some things that might interest you a little bit more. If you're interested in participating in that, you can leave a comment on those videos, ask a question, maybe tag it with AOC question, something like that, so we know that it's specifically a question that you would like to see us maybe answer and address in the shop. That being said, if you want to guarantee that your question is asked and answered on those videos, head over to Patreon and become patrons there. We just changed our tiers. We added a $1 tier. So we have a maker tier that's just $1. So for $1 a month, you can become a patron, and then you have the right to ask us a question there, and then we'll respond to those questions on the videos. Then we changed our tiers, so there's a $1, a $2, and then a $5 and a $10. So we took away that top tier because we thought we have had that tier there, that $20 tier, for a long time, and there have been several people who have given a lot of money to the channel, and we really, really appreciate that. But at this point, there wasn't anyone in that tier, and we thought it was a good time to take that down and just include people who want to support our channel and give them the ability to support it at that $10 tier and be those master patrons. And again, if you are one of those journeyman patrons or a master patron, your name will be put up at the end of each of our videos in the closing kind of credits on our videos. So those will definitely still be there. So those of you who have been that lower tier, you guys have been all moved up. So thank you all so much. Also, for any new patrons of Patreon, we're going to be sending out sticker packs. So you'll get definitely the Maker Switch and the Art of Craftsmanship sticker. And then we have some other stickers in the works as well. So we're going to send out sticker packs to all new members as well as our existing members. And those members who have been here in the past, we haven't forgotten about you. We know your support has been super helpful over the years, so we're going to send some stuff to you guys as well. Also, we just started a Discord channel. And so with Discord, that's just an open platform to us to be able to communicate with a smaller community. And that's those people who really want to support the Art of Craftsmanship and support what we're doing here. We just kind of felt like that there was something missing, and this kind of smaller community chat, questions, answers, kind of some public space where you can really communicate with us and communicate with other Art of Craftsmanship Patreon members. So we started the Discord channel, and we will be sending out the link to that channel to all of our Patreon members. Whether you join one time and you're a member for 2 months for $2, you'll get the link to the Discord channel. And it's just an easier way for us to communicate with the viewers. It's one of the things that we've always tried to do over the years, and we really appreciate everyone who has supported us that way, but trying to respond to the comments and respond to the patrons, and there's just all this different area of trying to stay connected to the community. And so we think really kind of narrowing that down to those people who want to come over and support us on Patreon, make a specific group for those people who have this kind of more community-based idea of what we can do and how you guys can help us out here on the Art of Craftsmanship. So lots of fun things in the works, just things that we want to do. Keep your ears and eyes open. You can head over to our podcast as well, which we've been talking about all this type of stuff. And we will still kind of spitball ideas and think about other ways we can communicate more with the viewers and do more things for the viewers and the patrons. We're going to do at least one live stream a month. I love doing live streams, and I love hanging out and talking with you guys. And, if you want to support us that way too, you can always do super chats, or you can just come over and hang out and chat with us. It's super fun, and it makes it really interesting to me to talk to people all over the world during those live streams. That's what we're doing. We just want to update everybody on the channel of what we want to do moving forward into 2023. So we'll have those like weekly question videos. We're going to have monthly live streams, still our normal videos that we're going to be making. We're about to start a cool video on making the sheep shear knives, if you guys haven't already seen that on Instagram. Super cool. It's a really fun project, and I think you guys will like it. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.